So I found this really helpful. A friend had shared it other day. I'm not promoting it as a product. I just thought it might provide some value. So it's called Social Searcher. Easy for me to say, and it's free. You don't need to sign up and things like that. And it's a bit like Google. When you type something in Google, you might type in anything really, how to get free traffic. So it's kind of like that for social media. So just say, get rid of that. AI tools, you might type in that because it's a popular topic at the moment. And then you would just search, and then it's like Google. It's a bit like Chat GPT. It's searching. Doesn't really take too long, and it should come up with something. There's a couple of things how you can use it, which is quite interesting. It shouldn't much longer. Here it is. I think to get the Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, you have to sign up. So that if you want data for those platforms, that's what you need to do. And then here's some of the posts. Um, that relates to a website. These ones, that's a platform I don't know about. It seems to be on this quite a lot, so you can scroll down and so you could go to the post here. So that's on Reddit actually, so you could comment from that. But to get the right data, what we will do, we will go to button, let's make detailed statistics. So this will show you on AI tools. There's not a lot of blogs posting about it. Um, that you think that would be Twitter, but they're X. It's not. It's Tumblr, and that's like images. So that's doesn't really say too much. But that's just a website. So on their general website, there's 100 at 420, um, and that is not sure what site that is, but on Tumblr as well there is some data for it here, and this is the hashtags that are being used as well. AI tools, so it gives you some computer word, but so it gives you some good data. And also, this is quite interesting. Post on a Wednesday or a Thursday today, you've got 28% and 29%, and just don't post at any time. It's saying between 6 and 8 in the morning for today. So that's the hashtags you could use, so you can see a general data of it. And then the sentiment that's telling you what sites it's doing well. So the red is like negative, and then uh, that is Flickr, I think. It doesn't actually tell us there, so that's what that is. Flickr, and that's Tumblr. So it does relative quite well. And if you click on, I'm not on Tumblr at the moment, but you can click on these posts to see what they're producing, and then it tells us the users. It's mainly on Reddit that's coming from. So here is the people that have posted links, if computer would work. And that's doing well, 181 likes, so we could click on that. And look, there's 182 people have upvoted it, which is Reddit's equivalent of likes. And then you could write a valuable comment, not just write a one line, because you know there's going to get a bit of traffic perhaps from it. I would write something detailed, and then that could produce traffic for yourself. using social bees. It's telling us mainly on Reddit, that's where they post AI tools content about that, and then this is photos as well. And then I've done this last night as well. Search for a video on X, for example, on that, and use that as a keyword, or even use multiple keywords. So you can use this for data, for analysing a lot of things. But if you want the Facebook X content, it doesn't say if you need to upgrade, but you certainly need to create an account. So it's something you might consider doing as well. So this is good for what posts went viral, what keywords are using, and it's great analytics and what platforms and what times it's best to post on this. So that's really what to do. So if you're interested in this, I'll probably sign up to it and put a link in description. But we've got a business like no other. You have to really see it to believe it. So click on that one. Come and join us. It's a free community, and we'd love to have you. Bye bye for now.